Tesla bulls look toward rest of 2022. July 21, 2022. Tesla bulls are giving their thoughts on what to expect during the Q2 earnings call later today, giving an indication that investors should look toward the rest of 2022 as the automaker battles to rebound from a soft Q2. Tesla reported fewer deliveries in Q2 than it did in Q1. The first time in 9 quarters the electric automaker failed to report quarter-over-quarter growth. However, demand for Tesla vehicles is through the roof. And it was not a lack of want from consumers or supply chain bottlenecks that caused the drop in delivery figures. A shutdown of Tesla's Shanghai facility in China did. The 3-week shutdown ultimately culminated in a drop in vehicle deliveries for Tesla. But there is not much to fret about, according to several analysts who are bullish on the company. Dan Ives of Wedbush says investors should look to 2H 2022 as the street has. With deliveries soft this quarter due to the China shutdown, Tesla's ability to preserve margins this quarter will be front and center for investors while all focus now shifts to the outlook for the rest of the year. Ives said, delivery projections for 2022 for Tesla have dropped considerably due to Shanghai's shutdown and the subsequent rework of ramping to production volume once again. Ives broke down some estimates, with the lower end of the consensus projections leaning toward 1.4 million units for the year. This would ultimately align with Tesla's desire to increase deliveries by 50% this year compared to 2021. However, the automaker was trending toward a stretch goal of 1.7 million deliveries this year. Ives said, China issues coupled with global supply chain issues are expected to continue to affect Tesla, but not at a rate that should alarm investors. Meanwhile, Gary Black kept relatively the same narrative as he expects Tesla to fully rebound in 2H. In my opinion, investors will look through 2Q TSLA results and focus on stronger 2H. Black said. He said he would like more indications on where Tesla could end up with deliveries this year. Wondering if 1.5 million is what the automaker will shoot for. Finally, Gene Munster of Loop Ventures recognizes Tesla's demand advantage is stiff-armed by a supply shortage. They have outsized demand for their products. Munster said on CNBC yesterday. Tesla continues to ramp its new factories in Germany and Austin, Texas, to combat these supply issues. The 2 factories should easily add 1 million units of production to Tesla's annual projections in a year after they are fully ramped, barring any major parts shortages or supply chain issues. Source reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati. My take: Tesla did great in Q2 with all the headwinds it had to face. Q3 and Q4 are going to be spectacular.